8 new members officially joined Shiv Sena Manipur today during a function held at Babupura. Speaking at the event, State Unit President Marangthim Tombi launched a scathing attack on the ruling government. He expressed deep embarrassment over being an alliance partner with an administration completely ineffective. Tombi criticized the government's failure to address main issues, including illegal poppy cultivation, drug menace, and illegal immigration. He noted that the political climate heading into elections resembles a war-like scenario, adding that the public knows who is responsible for the turmoil. Furthermore, he strongly rejected accusations playing double games, a term often leveled against those who criticize the administration. Asserting that Shiv Sena operates strictly by official rules, Tombi challenged critics to produce concrete proof, stating he would immediately resign from all posts if the allegations are proven true.
I know presidential India government governing body member within the second I resigned to be ever. Machum Sabi Pulom Pitopioba, Aduga Shiv Sena president without documents, without evidence. Kasim on the Shiv Sena president, Kanagum Tobo, I quite Adumina, Quaki Biggie, and Mana Quangamuliteva. Aduga India ada state kun ganipan adu ko territorial kanosi nipan lebesi manunda amadi chumsan raga sarkar paibani ahum gatang sarkar paiba congress lisang sidna sahi yankai hena palam bukanda kari kamam tai thi jana yengbidraba adu dagi thokiba akoi gi isha inau sing asawudi thokiba masigi poche congress na pom